So if you have a 2014 BMW S1000rr, you know how horrible the lights are. Well, I've got a solution to it. Now what I did was, initially I changed these small lights to an LED. It's a three-way LED. I'll show you how to change it, and it looks awesome. Now what I have here for the main headlight and for the high beam here is that I ordered something from Amazon. Well, I ordered 3 of them. Now this is one of them, and forgive me for the camera not focusing, but here is the Extreme Vision V10, a $35 LED. Now what I did was I ordered a Morimoto H7 bulb, but given the fact that the space that the bulb goes in is right here, and it's not that great for a big fan powered LED, the solution to it is what I have here. A beautiful LED bulb with no fan and less space to accommodate. Here it is, folks. Now I'm gonna install one side and show it to you how it looks in comparison with the other. So for the sake of comparison, here is how it looks without the lights turned on, just the LEDs. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now let me start the bike and then I'm gonna turn it on. Oops. So this, my friend, is the original halogen bulb. The other side is the LED. Oh, it's just the safety light, if you want to call it. If we turn on the high, this is the high beam with the LED on one side, the small LEDs. Now what I'll be doing, I'll be installing an LED in this one and then comparing it with the high beam. And oops, I made a mistake. I showed this case as the main halogen bulb, but that's not true. That's for the small LED that I showed you up front. This, however, the bigger one, is for the halogen bulb. So comparison wise, here's how it looks. The old bulb versus the new one. It's almost the same size. Let me install it, I'll get back to you. So it's installed. The cover goes back on perfectly. And moment of truth. Let me start of truth. Let me start it. And let's check. Hoorah! But that's good. Here's the comparison. I don't know how many lumens it is, but well, looks good. And my friends, this is how it looks. Well, I just focused on the light so you can't see the lumens. Pardon me. I don't have the meter. I'll try to get one. So the good thing about these lights, if you park it in your garage and then you want to walk back and you turn the bike off, here, take a look. Still on. Just a little. Just a tad bit to let you know your way back in. And I think it's about 30 seconds to a minute that they go up. So here it is, folks. Enjoy. I'll keep you posted.